Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a package today from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. I have no idea what is in here, but I thought we'd open it together. Ooh. Well, I'm going to say, first of all, I love Tammy's postcards. She has several with Blythe dolls. I collect these. I absolutely love them. They are so cute. She sells these on her Kawaii doll shop on Etsy. I absolutely love them. And this is a doll that she customized, Moonbeam. She actually gave this away at a Blythe, oh gosh, I never say this right, virtual Blythe retreat that she and her sister Terry had on Facebook a couple weeks ago. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, I won this. I won this at the virtual Blythe retreat. I remember now. Oh my God, I'll be using this. What a nice bag. Here it is, Kawaii Doll Shop. That's Tammy's card. Let's see if there's a note here. It is. Thank you so much for joining us at the VBR 2022 and for your donations, Tammy. How nice is that? Oh my God, I love this doll. This is nice. Thank you, Tammy, and thank you, Terry. I had such a good time, and I sure hope you will do the virtual Blythe retreat again. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.